you're on my side. I am not on anybody's side. I don't care, quite frankly. I am trying to quit smoking. And the two of you are getting on my nerves. My arm hurts. It don't matter if Sister wears that mink stole or not, because she is dead. And she's going to be buried shortly, and everybody will just forget about it in no time flat anyway. It don't matter. So just hush up, both of you.
You want to know why she don't want Mama buried in
No, I don't want to know.
Because she wants it for herself.
Why would I, of all people, want that made jailmate stole?
It's an antique, and it's valuable, and that stole is in real good shape. Oh, don't try to deny it, Latrell. Although that is your specialty, if I'm not mistaken. Denial.